My name is Alicjia. I'm a chemistry student here at University of Wolverhampton. So I started master degree to further explore chemistry, to also gain some skills and experience. As a part of my master studies, I do a long yearly research project. I'm pleased to do a super exciting project, which is the development of the total synthesis of the natural product. The molecule we are going to synthesize is called sobralin, and it is the pheromone produced by the tiny insect called sandfly. And the thing is, this sandfly is the main vector of a parasitic disease called leishmaniasis. And unfortunately, this disease causes thousands of deaths and affects especially poor countries. There is a solution how to deal with leishmaniasis. We know that there is a potential for pheromone attractant traps. Unfortunately, pheromone produced by the sandfly is of minute amount, so we need to synthesize more of the pheromone, and here's where our contributions start, really. So I would say I'm very grateful and fulfilled that I am involved in such a meaningful project. Even though it's complicated, maybe challenging and time-consuming, I believe it's worth an effort, and my effort will pay off at some point, and hopefully in the future we can see that synthetic sobralin will be saving lives. My adventure with chemistry has started when I was in the secondary school. I was lucky enough to have a very good chemistry teacher who instilled the passion for chemistry in myself. And ever since I followed chemistry, I did A-levels in chemistry, then I chose chemistry at the university. And I believe the time at the university was the most important one for myself, because it helped me to decide what I want to do in the future in terms of my career. My piece of advice would be to develop a vision, what you want to do, where you want to go. It would be a really good idea to research companies and positions you see yourself in or you're interested in. In that way, you will be able to find out what sort of skills and experience you need to succeed in your role, in your career.